In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a footer in Wix Studio. Whether you're creating a site for your business, portfolio, or blog, the footer is an essential part of the design. It's often where you place important links and contact information, making it crucial for navigation and accessibility. Let's get started by heading over to Wix Studio, a web platform tailored for agencies and enterprises. If you aren't already familiar with it, Wix Studio provides you with extensive tools to build elegant and responsive websites. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked on that, you'll have various options to sign in, but for this tutorial, we recommend continuing with Google. This option is convenient and secure, linking directly to your Google account. After you've logged into Wix Studio, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the plus icon, typically located on the sidebar. It might be small, but it's your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Once you've clicked the plus icon, select Input from the menu. This section contains various options for adding interactive elements to your page. Next, we're diving deeper into sections of your web page. Click on Sections to view a range of pre-designed templates and utilities that you can effortlessly add to your site. From here, locate the Footers section. You'll find a variety of footer templates, each designed to suit different styles and purposes. Take your time to scroll through these options and select a footer template that aligns with your vision for the site. Once you've found the perfect footer, click to select it and then drag and drop it onto the bottom of your web page. This is where Wix's intuitive drag and drop builder shines, allowing you to customize with ease and precision. Now that your footer is in place, it's time to make it truly yours. Click on the footer area to begin editing. You can modify the text to include details like your contact information, social media links, or company slogan. You can also adjust the font, color, and layout so that it matches the theme of your site seamlessly. Taking the time to customize your footer not only improves the aesthetic value of your website, but also enhances user experience by providing easy access to essential information. Don't forget to preview your changes to ensure everything looks exactly how you want. And remember, Wix Studio often updates with new and exciting features, so keeping an eye on those updates can provide even more customization opportunities. I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your website with a unique and functional footer. Feel free to explore other features in Wix Studio to further refine your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!